Okay, so today we're gonna pimp up the keyboard a little bit more. As you know, we've already um, modded this, right? It's been a while, and you can see here that the keys are a bit old, right? So the white one gets old very fast, gets very dirty. Okay, so what I did is I went out and I bought I bought a couple of things, right? So the first thing is once we start fixing this keyboard, I bought this keyboard cover. Okay, so I got this keyboard cover from Emu Studio, right? And I'll show that to you later in this video, right? I got this for about 873 pesos. Okay, and then we also got some nice keycaps. So we got the keycaps. It's about 800 pesos, and they are. And I got this brush also. It's like 34 pesos. Okay, and they are XDA type. Okay, PBT, Keycaps, old school retro video game. So it's like very Nintendo looking key types, keys, and then you've got like options here, right? Very nice. And then here you've got like the Pac-Man, okay, and then you've got the Mario Brothers, mushrooms, and then you've got like I think this is more PlayStation, no? And then you've got the Space Invaders, and then you've got like all of these upgrades like the cherries, and then you've got this as well, right? This one's actually from my current RK84. You can see it
Here
over
we
here.
go!
No? That's the Mario Brothers. Okay, so one thing of note, right, is the light won't be able to pass through here now. So let me just turn this off. So you can see here, these are shine through, while this one is not, right? But of course you'll still get the bleed from the outside, which is totally fine for me, right? It's really up to you. These are all your personal preferences. So let's turn this off before we start pumping out all the keys. Okay, so this is why you buy the acrylic case. Look at how dirty that is, right? We have a dog in the house, so you can see all the dog hair there. And this is why I bought this 35 peso brush over here. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to only do some is I wanted you to see the difference, right? So you can see the aesthetic, like it's a little bit more round. But more than that, I wanted to see you guys to see the difference between the XDA profile. So it's a little bit more, how do I explain this? It's a little bit more flat. The cherry style, which is what's inside the RK84s. So as you can see here on the other side, this is the cherry style format, okay? And the keys are a little bit more rounded this way, okay? And then this is the XDA, right? So noticeable difference. It's a little bit lower as well, right, on the upper keys, and then it's a little bit more or less aligned in the bottom keys, right? On the bottom part, the grooves are less curvy, you know, as compared to the cherry style. Okay, so just so that you guys know. So you can see all the grime that your keyboards gets. That's why you buy that acrylic cover. Alright, I got this as clean as possible. You can see the brush is very dirty. Um, so it's also because of all the lube as well, right? That that gets, you know, it sort of captures all the dust, right? You can, if you want to see like how I lube this and how we set up the keyboard, I'll drop the link up above, no? But let's start. So here it is, no? Very nice. You've got that nice edge over here, and you've got like some nice padding here as well to fully enclose your keyboard. So let's check it out on my RK84, which is now very dirty. Oh, nice! Look at that, no? It comes with like a few extra pieces that I'm honestly not so sure what they're here for.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay guys, so this is the Inmu Studio One. The ratings are very nice. You can see here that it comes etched, right? And then there's like some rubber padding also in the bottom, so at least you really seal in. And overall it's very nice. There's like, where was that? There's like a very small, I'm assuming this is from the Mighty Bond, no? Like one, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a small imperfection there, but overall, you know, you're not gonna notice it. And it also comes with this keyboard stand, so you can prop up your keyboard if you want. No? Nice, very nice. Okay. There you go. We got this for about 873 pesos. Okay. Okay, it's finally done, no? So I really like this layout that I picked. We do have like a couple more keys that we can use. I didn't use the Space Invaders. I think I used too much gaming already on it, actually. But I really like this sort of like retro look to it. But you know, we'll see, no? I'll play around with this configuration. So let's turn off the lights so you can see. So as you can see, the lights, it's more of a bleed coming from the sides, right? It really depends on you if this is sort of your style. The cherry keys, of course, since they're shine through, much better, right? But for me, I think this is pretty good, no? Now, let's talk about the keys a little bit. So so this is my Windows, this is my function key, so it's easier for me to recognize. But I'm not so sure if you can see, no? There are some buttons that aren't as that aren't on the same level. So you can see this J, it's a little bit lower than the rest of the keys, and then this one as well, no? So you can see that dips down a little bit here, as well as the C, right? Doesn't bug me as much. It still feels the same for me since I actually use this for work. And overall, I really like it. I'm kind of curious if you think like it looks better with a skirt, right? Or without it. Me personally, I think it looks better without it. And then of course, we're going to use the acrylic cover that we got over from Imu Studios. I think it looks very, very nice. Okay? And once again, so I hope you like this video. It's not really a review video. It's more of pinaporma ko lang yung keyboard ko video. Okay? So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And you know, it would make Baby Yoda very, very happy. Bye.